as cheap as possible. And also in most parts of India, because India is a growing population, because Polish population is more than 1 billion. So it's a huge market for many developers, many smart people in technology to market their social media. For example, Facebook, Instagram, and also social media has advantages or weaknesses. Many people nowadays just become neglectful about their children. Many parents neglectful about their children. They just give whatever the children want. For example, the children want this to be like their friends. Just the parents just want to avoid or prevent the children whining or complaining